Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Join us as we explore the safe and effective use of the Zano wallet. For convenient access to the Zano wallet and related resources, check out the links provided in the description below. The Zano wallet is a secure and private cryptocurrency wallet meticulously crafted for users who value anonymity and privacy in their transactions. It's the perfect solution for individuals seeking a smooth and efficient experience managing Zano, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. One of the most compelling features of the Zano wallet is its seamless integration with the Zano blockchain. This blockchain utilizes advanced privacy protocols, including ring-CT and stealth addresses. These technologies ensure that your transactions remain confidential and untraceable, a critical feature for privacy-conscious users. The wallet also boasts a simple and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to newcomers to the cryptocurrency world, while simultaneously offering advanced functionality for experienced users. Security is paramount for the Zano wallet. It empowers users with full control over their private keys, stored locally. This means that only you, the wallet holder, have access to your funds. For added security, the wallet supports encrypted backups and secure seed phrases, enabling you to recover your wallet should your device be lost or compromised. Furthermore, two-factor authentication, 2FA, provides an additional layer of protection, preventing unauthorized access. Designed specifically for Zano users, the Zano wallet offers specialized support for this privacy coin. Its availability across desktop and mobile platforms ensures flexibility in how you manage and store your funds. In summary, the Zano wallet presents a secure, privacy-driven solution for anyone using Zano. It seamlessly blends top-tier security measures with a user-friendly design and robust privacy features, offering a wallet that prioritizes user confidentiality. If privacy is your primary concern when using Zano, this wallet is an excellent choice. For more detailed information, be sure to explore the links provided in the description below.